Hey folks, Mobile Geezer back with the first look at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. Just received it last night and just decided not to do an official unboxing because there's not a whole lot in particular to unbox. You'll see what I mean in a few.
Let's do this!
So here's how it came in the box, and I just wanted to show you what comes in it. So you've seen the phone, and the only other thing that comes in it is the paperwork, the SIM tool, and your power connection cord. No power supply. I already have a 45-watt charger, so we're good there. So here it is. I got it in sky blue. Really like that color. Plus it really doesn't matter what color I get because I cover everything with a case anyway. But I will be using a clear case with this one, and I'll be showing that to you guys when it comes in. So taking a quick look around, up top we have our microphone. On the right side, our power button and our volume up and down. And on the bottom, our SIM tray, microphone, power connection, and our speaker. Not sure if you can see that tiny hole for the selfie camera, but it is there. And our camera array on the back, 12 megapixel ultra wide, a 15 megapixel regular wide camera, and a 10 megapixel telephoto. I don't think I'll miss having 108 megapixel like the Ultra has. So there's the in-display fingerprint sensor. Seems pretty quick, and I just want to take a look at a couple of the settings on the display. You can see your choices are the adaptive refresh rate, taking you up to 120 Hertz, or you can set it at 60 Hertz, but you can't set it to anything else where you can change it yourself, so adaptive is all you get. And looking at the biometrics, you can see I've already set up my face and my fingerprints. And just a quick look at the cameras. I've just taken a couple of pictures. Took two this morning, 27 degrees in snow. Yesterday it was 68 degrees. But cameras look pretty good. Of course, you'll be seeing a lot more. This one I took last night, right after I finished my live stream. Of course, the comparisons will be coming. So I just wanted to give you guys a good first look. This will be my first day with the phone, and I have a feeling I'm going to love this one. You'll be seeing camera comparisons between this, the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Z Flip 3, the Pixel 6 Pro, and of course my iPhone 12 Pro. So stay tuned for that. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.